In the previous topics, we have completed basics about countable, uncountable nouns, naming words, everything. Okay, today we are going to start a new syllabus this academic year. Today I am going to tell you a story about the tale of Peter Rabbit. What is the spelling? T-H the T-A-L-E tail, poem of Peter Rabbit. This is the lesson name. Okay. Did you all understood what is that lesson name I am going to tell you? I am going to tell you a lesson that is the tale of a Peter Rabbit. So, do you know about rabbit? Did you see the rabbit? I think everybody has seen the rabbit. Got it? So, where you have seen the rabbit? So, some members in their house, they used to have a pet as a rabbit. Did you know? So, can you tell me how the rabbit is? It's very cute, isn't it? It is in white color. Can you see his eyes? It is in reddish color. And it is white in color. In colors are many, but if we see, it is cute in white color. Okay, its eyes are very white, red color, isn't it? So in rabbits, what is the food of a rabbit? What is the favorite food of rabbit? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is the favorite food of rabbit? So favorite food of rabbit is carrot. It used to eat carrot loudly. It is used. So you will also have a favorite food. If I ask you, you will be telling I like egg, I like fish, I like chicken, I like non-veg or veg. Something you will tell. But this rabbit, its favorite food is carrot. It is used to eat very, what we say, happily. Carrot means very lovely food to her. Okay. So now we are going to start the lesson. Before going to start the lesson, I am going to tell you some new words. New words. New words. So first one is frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. Frightened. Frightened is nothing but scared. Frightened is nothing but scared. Frightened means nothing but scared. Frightened, scared. And the next one is squeezed. X-Q-U-E-E-Z. Squeezed is move through narrow space. Narrow space. And turn. Turn means pulled a part into pieces. And gather. Collect. Spoiling. Spoiling is ruining. Bitter. Bitter is bad taste. Seventh one is puzzled. confused. So these are the new words. You have to learn it. The new words is frightened. Frightened means become very scared. In Telugu we'll say bayapadam. Frightened. Squeezed. Move though narrow space. Narrow. Like this it will be a narrow space. Can you see from the down like this narrow space? Some space will be very unmannered. So moving in that place. Turn means pulled a part into pieces. So doing a thing into pieces, all pieces. And gathered. Gather means collecting. Suppose teacher will ask you to collect all the books, you will collect it. Spoiling means ruining. Spoiling means if your pen while you are writing you will be telling that ink will be vomited, ink got leaked, like that. It is spoiling. And bitter. Bitter means it is bad taste. You love bitter gourd. You like bitter gourd. You will be tasting it is very bad. And puzzled is confused, making you confused. This is the meaning of these new words. So once you repeat with me, then we will go to the lesson. Frightened, scared, frightened, scared, frightened, scared, squeak, move through narrow space. Squeak, move through narrow space. Turn, pull a part into pieces. Turn, pull a part into pieces. Gather, collect. Gather, collect. Spoiling, ruining. Spoiling, ruining. Bitter, bad in taste. Bitter, bad in taste. Bitter, bad in taste. Puzzled, confused. Puzzled, confused. Puzzled, confused. These are the new words. Okay. So now we'll go to the lesson. Before going to the lesson, you can see page number 9. Everybody look into your books, page number 9. A baby rabbit is called a kitten or a kit. So you will also, everybody will have a pet name to you. Like if you have Ramu, you will be say Ram, come here. If you Soni, Tinku, Pinku, Mintu, like that, they will be having a pet names for you also. For this cat, it is a kitten or a kit. It is called as kit. Rabbit can run very fast and have a good memory. So these rabbits will run fast and it has a good memory. It is having a good memory. Like you all, how you will have the memory for you, like that these rabbits will also have a good memory. A rabbit can see things behind it without turning its head. So behind what is there, it can see without turning the head. Behind what is there, it is no need to turn the head back. We means we have to turn it and we have to see what is the behind it. But this rabbits no need to turn the head. Without seeing it, without turning back behind it, it can tell what it is there. Eating too much food makes fall sick. So eating too much food make us fall sick, right? Eating too much we should not eat. We should eat everything in a limit, right? If we eat in a limit, we will not get any vomited, we cannot get stomach pain, will not become unhealthy. Okay, we must eat limited food and we must chew the food properly. Okay. So the lesson name is The Tale of Peter Rabbit. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Once upon a time there were 4 little rabbits called Lucy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. Once upon a time there were 4 rabbits. So how many rabbits are there? 4 rabbits are there. How many are there? 4 rabbits. 4 rabbits. There are 4 rabbits. One name is Flopsy. Another name is Mopsy. And other name is Cottontail. And another name is Peter. There are 4 rabbits. Okay, these are the names of the rabbits. They lived near the river under a very big fir tree. So there is a river near the house. They lived near a river. They lived near a river under a fir tree, big fir tree. This fir tree means nothing but it's a tree that will have a, it will look like, you can see in the Christmas, they used to decorate that tree. Fir tree. Okay, they used to live under that tree. One morning their mother said, "You may go to field to play, but don't go into Mr. M.G. George's garden." So one morning their mother said, "So while you are having holidays, you will also will go outside. You will also will go outside and you will also will play." Like that, this girl, the 4 rabbits wants to play. So her mother, she said that go out to fields and play there, but don't go into Mr. M.C. George's garden, as he does not like anyone spoiling his plans. Don't be naughty. I am going out to buy some bread and buns. She picked up her baskets and went out. So she told to that 4 rabbits, 4 members, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, Peter. These 4 members, her mother called and told them to go to field and play there, but don't go to Mr. M.C. garden, as he does not like anyone spoiling his plans. So nobody will like in the fields. They are doing a lot of hard work, and they are making the trees greenery. They want you to play it and you want to spoil it. No, you should not do like that. It is a bad habit. So she told that not to go there. You don't do all that mischievous things. You be safe there and don't spoil the plants of that, and don't be naughty. Don't do naughty things. And I am going out to buy some bread and buns. So this 4 rabbits mother is going out to bring bread and buns. So she picked up her basket and went out. So she picked up the baskets and then she went out. So when she picked up, if suppose your parents told you go to your friend's house, play, but don't go on the road, means you should not go. Isn't it? It's the right thing. What that means, you are obeying your parents. What they are telling, you are obeying, and you are obeying their order. That if your friend said, "Come, we'll go here nearby road. One shop is there. We'll go and buy something." Means you will not go. You must not go. Why? Because you told to your mother that you will not go nearby roads. Your mother told you not to go nearby roads, so you will not go. If our elders will tell us not to do that things, we must not do that things. We must obey our elders. We must obey our parents. We must obey our teachers. Whatever they will tell, it will be helpful to you. It is not harmful to you. It is helpful to you. Right? So his mother also is telling not to go to Gorgeous garden as to not spoiling their plants and don't be naughty. And I am going to bring what she want to bring. She want to bring some bread and buns. She picked up her basket. She took the basket. You can see in the picture. So 4 members are here. His mother is going out. She is taking the basket. She is telling them not to do that such things in the field. Don't do naughty in the Mr. MC Gorgeous ground and garden. And she took the basket. Turn the page. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail were good little binnies. They went out to gather fruits. But Peter was very naughty. He ran to Mr. MC Gorgeous garden and squeaked under the gate. First he ate some lichard, then some French beans and then some radishes. So see there. In the picture you can see here. See here. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail were good little bunnies. They are good. They are good bunnies. They went out to gather some fruits. They gathered some fruits. But Peter was very naughty. In that, Peter is very naughty. He ran to Mr. MC Gorgeous garden and squeaked under the gate. So he is squeaking under the gate. What she is doing, whether she is there or not. First he ate some lichers. So first he ate some lichers. Then some French beans. French beans also. See, French beans also he ate, and then some radishes. And he ate some radish. Already he is eating. You can see in the picture. Then he wanted some carrots. Just then he saw Mr. MC Gorgeous hit him angrily. Peter ran in a hurry. So then he went some carrots. Then he wanted to eat some carrots. Just then he saw Mr. MC Gorgeous looking him angrily. Peter ran in a hurry. So whenever our parents tell us not to do that things, we must not do. So this Peter is a very bad. Why? Because her mother, while she is going, she told her not to go Gorgeous garden to irritate her or to eat things there, and don't make them what she told. You don't do naughty things there. Yes, isn't it? So telling this also, Peter he did not listen. These 3 of them are Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail were good little bunnies. They are good. But this Peter is very naughty. He went to their Gorgeous garden and he ate some, he squeezed under the gate, and he ate some lichers and French beans, and then a radish also he ate. Then he went some carrots. He wanted to eat some carrots. Just then he saw that Mr. MC just looking at him angrily. So everyone, when they are keeping their plants, suppose while you are going from school to home, if you saw some guavas in another's house tree, what you will do? You will throw the stones. So why you will do like that? That parents will get irritated, that owners will get irritated. Because why we are keeping these trees very, we are pouring the water, doing all these things, and these fellows see how they are throwing the stones onto my house, and they want to eat guavas. So it's a bad thing. So if you want, you can ask and you can eat, you can buy and eat. So in the market you will be available everything. You can buy it and you can eat it. But you should not do like that. It is a very bad habit. of doing such things. So Peter is a very bad boy of three of them. Floppy is nice and Mopsy is nice, but Cottontail is nice, but Peter is very naughty. He does not obey his mother's order. She told not to do the naughty things, and he done it, and he showed him. And that Mrs. MC Gaudier got very angry about him, that Peter ran in a hurry. So in a hurry he ran. So rest of the lesson we are going to continue tomorrow. Next in the next session we will complete. Why? Because whole lesson if you will say at a time you will not understand. So you must understand, you must know the spellings also, and you must able to read. So that is the bad thing he has done. So till page number 10. Okay, once again I will tell you, I will repeat this one, this new words, everything. Now read it. After reading everything, if you have any doubts, I am going to clear in the next session, or when you will come to the school, whatever the new words are there on the board, I will repeat that one also, and I will repeat this paragraph. You have to, your homework is nothing but you have to read page number, I write here, your homework is read these new words. Homework. Learn new words in page number, in textbook page number 8. So you have to learn these new words in page number 8. So I am going to continue this lesson after learning this paragraph till page number 10. The rest of the lesson we are going to continue it. So first what we will do, we will learn these new words once again. Okay, repeat with me while I am reading. Frightened. 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 Scared. 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 Squeezed. Squeezed. Squeeze. Move. Though. Narrow. Narrow. Space. Space. Move though narrow space. Turn. Turn. Pulled. Pulled. Part. Part. Pieces. Gather. Gather. Collect. Spoiling. Spoiling. Ruining. Bitter. Bad. Taste. Bad taste. Puzzled. 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 Confused. Frightened. Scared. Scared. Squeezed. Move though narrow space. Torn. Pulled apart into pieces. Gather. Collect. Spoiling. Ruining. Bitter. Bad taste. Puzzled. Confused. Frightened. Scared. Squeezed. Move though narrow space. Move through narrow space. Torn. Pulled apart into pieces. Gather. Collect. Spoiling. Ruining. Better. Bad taste. Puzzled. Confused. So you have to read these new words. If you read these new words only, you will be coming across in the lesson, and you will be knowing the whatever the meanings for this one. Frightened means scared. Squeezed means move is it? Some place is there, it will be going on. Turn means pulled apart into pieces, and gather means collect. Everything whatever gather means collect. Spoiling means ruining. So spoiling means doing scratching everything, spoiling the fields. Bitter means very bad taste. It is a taste. A bitter gourd, it is very bad taste, no, like the bad taste. Puzzled means confused. It is confused. Whatever while you are writing in the exam, if you won't read the question properly, you will be reading. You will be in confusion. What answer you have to write? That is called confused. Frightened, scared. Frightened, scared. Squeezed. Move the narrow space. Torn. Pulled apart into pieces. Gather. Collect. Spoiling. Ruining. Bitter. Bad taste. Puzzled. Confused. Okay? Frightened, scared. Squeezed. Move the narrow space. Torn. Pulled apart into pieces. Gather. Collect. Spoiling. Ruining. Bitter, bad taste, puzzled, confused. Frightened, scared, squeezed, move through narrow space, turn, pulled apart into pieces, gather, collect, spoil, ruining, bitter, bad taste, puzzled, confused. These are the new words, you have to read it. In the next session, I am going to complete the half lesson. Whatever the half we have completed, next half I am going to tell you in the next session. So in this session, till there we have completed page number 10. So in the next session we have to start from 11th page, and you have to read this new words in the textbook. See it, read it properly. You have to learn that new words in textbook page number 8. Have a nice day. Thank you.